What's up, everybody? We are giving away a stack. There's a stack of these books. It's called The Treasure Inside, where Jon Collins Black, who wrote this book, has hidden 5 treasure boxes across the United States. This is the book to solve the largest national treasure hunt in history. This book is hard to come by. I've seen people buying this thing and trying to resell it out there. We're going to give this away for free to random subscribers, and I'll tell you how you get the chance to get access to this random subscriber giveaway, this book, after we watch this video from Jon Collins Black on his Instagram page. It goes over everything. This guy's been on, I believe, the Today Show. He's been in Forbes, Good Morning America, been all over the place talking about this and why he's done it. And we're going to show you how to do it. And this is a thick book, guys. This has got all the clues, the treasure maps, and everything in it. It sells on Amazon, but I'm giving it to you for free. And we're not going to say, hey, sign up, we'll give it to you free, then we're going to charge you shipping. No. We're going to get this thing to you complimentary of Wilkins Wealth Management Group. And stick around to the end, because we're also giving something else away. I'm going to tell you what that is at the very end of this video, and you'll want to stick around for it. So here we go. I'm going to go, here's his website, treasureinside.com. You can see that. This is where he's going to announce when people have found one of the treasure boxes, or all of them. And right now, there is nothing on here that indicates that anybody has found this. There's frequently asked questions you can go to up on the top. I'm not going to do all this, but I thought it would be cool to go to his Instagram page so you guys can see this. So let me pull this guy up. We'll zoom in on it. I'd highly recommend you go check this out. Now, we're not affiliated with this guy, nor is LPL Financial. This is just purely, I thought it was really cool because it kind of struck a chord with me, because when we help our clients do their financial planning, tax planning and all that, part of our investment strategies, depending on what's suitable for everybody out there, and everybody's different, you're going to be different than anybody else, we have these 4 different buckets of money that we put people in, that we like to utilize in, depending on their situation. Got money they might need within the first few years. Then we got intermediate type money. Then we got these hedge strategies, depending if the market goes up, goes down, to try and protect you and all that type of stuff. And then we have the treasure hunting bucket. It's trying to find the next Amazon, the next Google, all that kind of stuff out there. So this hit a chord. So that's why I want to try to give this away. And a little promotion from Wilkins Wealth Management Group. Hopefully enjoy it and get a shot at this. And if you happen to find a treasure after you get the book, think of Mr. Bill Wilkins, the financial planner, tax planner that sent this out to you. That's all I'm saying. So let's get into this. Here he is, Jon Collins Black. This is the guy. He only has 12,200 followers, so this is kind of interesting. I don't think a lot of people know about this yet. For some reason, they're not going to his Instagram page. There's his website here again, right here. You can see that. Let me try to see if I can zoom in on this. There it is, right there. But go to the website or this, because he's giving out clues on here. So if you scroll down, he's putting videos out about different ideas where things might be as well. But this is the video that I want to touch on right here. Let's listen to this. Gives you some inspiration here, gets you excited. Let's listen to it and go.
Imagine the thrill of finding a chest filled with millions of dollars worth of treasure.
Look at this, insane.
Hello, I'm Jon Collins Black.
Here
I
it
hid
is.
millions of dollars worth of
Listen to this.
treasure in 5 chests across the country.
5 chests
I
across
put this
the country.
treasure together to appeal to a wide variety of
I've seen a
interests
picture
and
of that
ages.
one in the book.
Within it are Bitcoin, rare Pokemon
That's
cards,
worth about 100,000.
valuable sports memorabilia, precious
Jordan.
gems, gold coins, shipwreck treasure,
Shipwreck
and amazing historical items owned or created by icons such as Picasso, George Washington, Amelia Earhart,
Amelia
and several
Earhart.
others. There have been other treasure hunts in the past, but there's never been something of this scale and value. My goal is to create a true national treasure hunt, something that would capture imaginations.
I got chills, guys.
My book is the key to unlocking the locations of the 5 treasures.
There's the
hidden.
book right here.
Inside it are all the clues, maps, and puzzles you need to decipher their secret whereabouts. You don't have to be a genius to solve the clues. There's no grand cipher. If you have curiosity, imagination, and the willingness to try something new, you can find the treasures that I've hidden. All you need to do to get started is to read my book.
Read his book.
All the
We're
treasures
gonna
are
give it to you.
located in safe places.
Right here.
But my advice is to be brave in heart. Don't be afraid to believe in what is possible. It's my hope that you'll experience the joy of exploring, far better than any cell phone or television.
Yes.
The beauty, breadth, and wonder of the land that will surround you on this adventure. Our country has a vast, majestic landscape awaiting you. Someone will find the 5 treasures that I've hidden, and that someone could be you.
There it is, my friends, right there. We're giving it away. I appreciate you joining on for this. Here's how you can get a shot to win one of these books, and we're going to give it away. Very simply, you just have to be a subscriber to the channel, and sometimes when people subscribe to the channel, they've got a setting. We have no idea how to get a hold of them. Even though they subscribe, we greatly appreciate those of you that have subscribed to the channel. So we're trying to reward this out to everybody. But here's how you get an official opportunity to this, is make sure you either text us at this number right here, 513-657-0989. You can also email us at william.wilkins@lpl.com. You can go to pursuefinancialfreedom.com. Click on the contact section, the contact tab, fill out your information. Tell us whether you text us, email us, contact us through the website. Make sure you give us your email address and your phone number, because within the next roughly 3 weeks or so from the time you see this, we're going to pick the random subscriber winners right here on YouTube, and then we will actually send this to you. We'll have to call you, get your actual address and everything, ship it to you for free. Don't worry about that. Get it to you, and that's what we're going to do. And the other thing that I'm going to give away, and this could be anybody of you can get this for free, including the random subscriber winners. We're going to give you access to Right Capital. It's the #1 ranked financial planning software in the country, according to the 2024, if you look right up on here, 2024 T3 Inside Information Advisor Software Survey, and it's Right Capital. And the only way you can get access to this is via a financial advisor, certified financial planner practitioner such as me. Otherwise, you'd be paying big buku bucks to do it. We're going to give it to you free. So you get access to it. You can use it, do whatever you want with it. And then if you like the software or want to get us to come on in and help you with the software, and we would strive to save you money and different types of ideas and so forth. So we appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on this random subscriber giveaway, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much.